Revision Sunday. Upcoming GCSE exam, 64 days away. The first one is the 21st of May. I'm trying to support you by coming through with basically a lesson a day or topic a day, or try and do 2 topics to support you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. The first thing I'm going to look at here is the area of a trapezium, because this was a question that I think that most students been given the formulas now. The formulas have stopped over 3 years now. So basically, how do you work out the area of a given shape? Is basically you got of a trapezium, you got of AB, A plus B, which is a parallel side. So you can see here the parallel side is A, plus B, which is a parallel side, divide by 2, and then you times the answer by the perpendicular height. So the first question we have here is, you can see the 2 parallel side there is 12 and 8, and the perpendicular height is 9. So let's just have a go at this. So if I rewrite the formula is area of a trapezium is equal to A plus B, which is the parallel side, divided by 2, times by H, which is the perpendicular height. So identifying the 2 parallel side in this case, you can see, right, is 12 and 8. So 12 plus 8 divided by 2 times by the perpendicular height, which is 9. So you got 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 times, so 10 times 9, your answer is 90 centimeter square. Looking at the next question, you can see here identify the 2 parallel sides here. The 2 parallel sides is 5, and 2 parallel sides is 5 and 7, right, divided by 2, that's the area, times by the perpendicular height, which is 6. And the next one I'm going to set out for you also. So this one, you got the perpendicular height again, which is 3.9. 3.9 plus 7.1 divided by 2 times by 5. Okay, so all you need to do is to add and then divide by 2. So basically I set those 2 out for you, right? So have a go, right? Give you a couple of minutes to have a go. Pause the video, have a go. Now that you have a go, now let's just see by working through the answers here. You got 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12 divided by 2 is going to give you 6. So 6 times 6 is 36 centimeters square. Next one you got here, you got 3.9 plus 7.1. So it is going to be 3 plus 7, that's 10, plus 0.9, 0.1, so now 1, so that's 11, right? So 11 divided by 2 is going to give you 5.5, and 5.5 times 5. So you do 5 times 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So that's going to be 5 carry 2. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. So 27.5 centimeters square. So that's question 2. That's question 3. Okay, now we're going to move on to look at surface area. Okay, so you already know how to work out the volume. I'm not going to work out the volume. The volume is simple: length times width times height. So you just times the 3 numbers together. So this attracts 4 marks in the exam, right? And it says state the unit with your answer. So they check in here. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to label this. Okay, so I've got here surface area, right? And how many faces this got? This cuboid got 6 faces. 6 faces. So I need the area of all 6 faces. So that's the key thing here. And also in a cuboid, opposite are the same. So opposite are the same. So if I go through this step by step, so if I look at the front here, I'm going to say 2 times 8 times 10, then plus, I'm going to do the bottom and top. It's going to be 2 times 10 times 5. And then I'm going to do the side. It's going to be 2 times 5 times 8. And then simple, all I'm going to do is work out and add all of that together. So 8 times 10, that's 80, times 2 is 160. Then I got 10 times 5, 50 times 2 is 100. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 times 2 is 80. So I'm going to add these together. So you got the answer for the total surface area now. It's going to be zeros, right? 4, carry the 1, 3. So the answer is 340 centimeter square. So it's surface area. So the answer, the unit, there it says state the unit with your answer. So it's centimeter square. Okay, this is a triangular prism. So the surface area of a triangular prism, here we're looking at 5 faces. So we're looking at 5 faces. So it's a right angle. The triangle have, so we got 2 triangles, right? 2 triangles. I've got 3 rectangles. Okay, so the focus here is working out the area, right? And I'm going to say triangle 1, triangle 2, then rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, and then we got our total. So base times height divided by, so it's going to be 8 times by 6 divided by 2. So it's 8 times 6, which is 48, divided by 2 is going to be 24 centimeters square. So triangle 2 is going to be 24 centimeters square. And if I start from the bottom here, so you got 6 times 9, which is 54. Then I got 9 times 10 is 90. And then I got at the back, there you got 8 times 9, 72. So you then add the total figures here, right? So you got 24, you got 2 plus, you got 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, so that's 4. You also got, so the total surface area is 264 centimeters square. So now we're going to look at a compound end face, right? So how do we work out the surface area of this L-shaped prism? So basically you come across L-shape, so identify basically that exactly the L shape you need to identify first. So if I should sketch the L shape here first, five, 3, 4, 1, 1. Okay, and then work out the answer, times it by 2, because both L shape are the same. So I'm going to split the shape going down this way. So I've got 1 times 3, 1 times 3, and then I've got best to split on the diagram, it's easier. 1 times 3, and then 4 times 1 plus 4 times 1 So the L shape is going to be 7 centimeter times by 2. So both is going to be 14 centimeters square. Now, let's just make this very simple. So I'm saying the two L shape come to 14. Right, the bottom and top is the same. And then side 1 and side 2 is the same. So the bottom is going to be 5 times 6. The top, as you can see here, is 5 times 6. Side 1 3 times 6. Three times 6. So if I quickly go through now, 30 centimeters square, 30 centimeters square, 18 centimeters square, 18 centimeters square. So if I add all of these together, we got the total surface area. Alright, so the total surface area, equals to 14 plus 30 plus 18 plus 18. So the total surface area is 110 centimeters square. Okay, so surface area is complete.